Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to qualify for the NACA program. Watch until the end to learn all the details and more. The NACA program offers an opportunity for low to moderate income borrowers to secure affordable education and home loans. Here's what you need to qualify for the NACA program. First, you must be willing to become a NACA member. The current yearly dues for NACA membership are $25. Additionally, you must be willing to live in the property purchased through the NACA program after closing. Importantly, you cannot own another home. NACA prohibits its members from owning another property to ensure that those who genuinely need affordable housing can access it. You should also have a good payment history over the last 12 months. NACA relies on this history to verify that you can manage the payments for the home you wish to acquire. Furthermore, your monthly debt payments must be less than 40 to 43% of your gross monthly income. Another requirement is the willingness to participate in payment shock savings. If your current monthly rent is less than your projected mortgage payments, you will need to save the difference for at least 3 to 6 months. For example, if your current rent is $1,000 and your new mortgage payment is $1,300, you must save $300 monthly for 3 to 6 months to qualify. And there you have it. Those are the requirements you must fulfill to qualify for the NACA program. Thanks for watching, and until next time.